Pocket Philosophy, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers, by Rumi Michael Lee. Introduction. I would like to thank and congratulate you for listening to this book, Pocket Philosophy, Things You Should Know, Questions and Answers. This book will give you a good general knowledge about the essentials of philosophy. Part 1. 1. What is philosophy? Philosophy is the way one thinks about the world. It is the study of knowledge and a way of life. 2. Define ethics. Ethics is the study or moral principles dealing with what is considered good or bad. 3. What are the branches of philosophy? The branches of philosophy are ethics, epistemology, political, and metaphysics. 4. What is an idea? An idea is a mental representation of a thought, a conception, a suggestion, etc. 5. What is epistemology? Epistemology is the study of knowledge. 6. What is logic? Logic is a way of thinking. 7. What is inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning is a method of reasoning that consists of making generalizations based on a subject that has been experienced. 8. What is deductive reasoning? Deductive reasoning is a method of reasoning that consists of first making a theory and then testing it on a specific subject. 9. What is abductive reasoning? Abductive reasoning is a method of reasoning that consists of explaining a situation after careful observation. 10. What is an assertion? An assertion is a declaration that one believes. Part 2. 1. What is a premise? A premise is a proposition that aims to support a conclusion. 2. What is metaethics? Metaethics is the study and understanding of moral values. 3. What is metaphysics? Metaphysics is the study of the nature of reality. 4. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is the ability to think objectively, rationally, clearly, and independently. 5. According to John Locke, what are the two kinds of ideas? Simple ideas and complicated ideas. 6. What is syllogism? Syllogism is a deductive reasoning that uses two premises and logical conclusion. 7. What is a fallacy? A fallacy is an error in reasoning. 8. What was George Berkeley's opinion concerning primary and secondary qualities? George Berkeley believed that there were only secondary qualities. 9. What are primary qualities? Primary qualities are qualities that can be measured. They are external qualities. 10. What are secondary qualities? Secondary qualities are qualities that cannot be measured. They are internal qualities. Part 3. 1. Define aesthetics. Aesthetics is the study of beauty, art, and taste. 2. What is conceptualism? Conceptualism is the theory that states that concepts are general ideas in our mind that are inspired from the things we see in nature. 3. What is empiricism? Empiricism is the theory that knowledge comes from experience. 4. What is a conceptual truth? A conceptual truth is a truth that is based on logic. 5. Define idealism. Idealism is the fundamental structure of reality. 6. What is cynicism? Cynicism is a philosophy that focuses on living in harmony with nature. 7. What is stoicism? Stoicism is the discipline of mastering our emotions. 8. What is personhood? Personhood is the fact that one is a person. 9. What is essence? Essence is the inner meaning of a thing. 10. What is eudaimonia? Eudaimonia is having and living a good life, and constantly striving to improve. Part 4. 1. What is theology? Theology is a discipline that studies about God and religion. 2. What is omniscient? Omniscient means knowing everything. 3. What is omnipotent? Omnipotent means all-powerful. 4. What is omnibenevolent? Omnibenevolent means all good. 5. What is omnitemporal? Omnitemporal means to exist at all time. 6. What is omnipresent? Omnipresent means everywhere at the same time. 7. What is epistemic responsibility? Epistemic responsibility is the responsibility concerning our beliefs. 8. What is nihilism? Nihilism is the belief that life, morals, religion, existence is unfounded and meaningless. 9. What is fideism? Fideism is the theory that talks about the incompatibility of faith and reason. 10. Who believed that water was the origin of all creation? Thales. Part 5. 1. What is ethical subjectivism? Ethical subjectivism is when a person decides on what he feels is morally right. 2. What is an objective truth? An objective truth is the truth that is invariable. 3. What is a subjective truth? A subjective truth is the truth that is variable. It depends on the situation. 4. What is an important factor that influences subjective truth? Emotions. 5. What is relativism? Relativism states that there is no universal or absolute truth. 6. Define skepticism. Skepticism is the questioning of the certainty of knowledge. 7. What is existentialism? Existentialism is how humans understand themselves and the true meaning of life. 8. What is theodicy? Theodicy is the understanding of the existence of good and evil. 9. What is moral evil? Moral evil is the evil committed by humans. 10. What is natural evil? Natural evil is evil that are not committed by humans. Part 6. 1. What is the body theory? Body theory is a theory concerning our identity that shows that we remain in the same body from birth to death. 2. What is the memory theory? The memory theory is a theory concerning our identity that shows that the memories we have are connected at different points. 3. What is non-cognitivism? Non-cognitivism is the point of view that moral knowledge cannot really be known. 4. What is the identity theory? The identity theory is the theory that compares mental events to the events in our brain to be identical. 5. What is materialism? Materialism is the theory that believes that matter is the fundamental of all things. 6. What is Occam's razor's theory? Occam's razor theory is the theory that when presented with a problem with multiple explanations, the one with the least assumptions should be chosen. 7. What is free will? Free will is the ability of humans to make a personal choice without the interference of other forces. 8. What is physicalism? Physicalism is the theory that believes that everything is physical. 9. What is substance dualism? Substance dualism is the dualism that consists of the mental and physical. 10. What is interactionism? Interactionism is the interaction between the mind and the body, and how they affect each other. Part 7. 1. What is epiphenomenalism? Epiphenomenalism is the theory that believes that physical events are causal to mental events. 2. What is determinism? Determinism is the theory that everything that happens as it is supposed to happen. 3. What is compatibilism? Compatibilism is the theory that free will is compatible with determinism. 4. What is hard determinism? Hard determinism is the belief that determinism is true, but free will does not exist. 5. What is soft determinism? Soft determinism is the belief that determinism is true, and that free will exists and is compatible with determinism. 6. What is moral realism? Moral realism is the realism based on moral actions, on what is good or bad, or what is right or wrong. 7. What is contractarianism? Contractarianism is a theory that justifies the choices people make when they are guided by political authority. 8. Who believed that air was the origin of creation? Anaximenes. 9. What is atomism? Atomism is the theory that the universe is composed of atoms. 10. Define parallelism. Parallelism is a theory that the mind and body are parallel. Part 8. 1. What did Rube Goldberg say about doing a task? Doing a task is when simple things are done in the most complicated manner. 2. What is tautology? Tautology is the repetition of an idea using different words that mean the same thing. 3. What is Mysterianism? Mysterianism is the theory that it is impossible to explain consciousness. 4. What is the virtue theory? The virtue theory is the theory that focalizes on an individual's moral character. 5. Who believed that everything was constantly in motion? Heraclitus. 6. What are Frankfurt cases? Frankfurt cases show that a person is morally responsible for his action if he has the option to do otherwise. 7. What is red herring? Red herring is diverting attention from a topic by introducing an irrelevant topic. 8. What is reductionism? Reductionism is the breaking down of complex issues into its simplest form. 9. What is pragmatism? Pragmatism is a practical way of viewing a situation or solving a problem. 10. What is behaviorism? Behaviorism is the psychological approach to the study of human behavior. Part 9. 1. What is the positive rights theory? The positive rights theory is a theory that there is an obligation of action from another person or group. 2. What is the negative rights theory? The negative rights theory is the theory that there is no obligation of action from another person or group. 3. What is a categorical imperative? A categorical imperative is a moral obligation. 4. What is a moral imperative? A moral imperative is a moral obligation that impels a person to act. 5. What is consequentialism? Consequentialism shows that certain actions cannot be considered moral, no matter the consequences of these actions. 6. What is moral absolutism? Moral absolutism is a universal principle that considers an action correct or incorrect in spite the context of the action. 7. What is hedonism? Hedonism is the philosophy that emphasizes pleasure as the most important value for a human. 8. What is egoism? Egoism is when someone thinks only of his/her self-interest. 9. What is descriptive egoism? Descriptive egoism is a kind of egoism when someone tries actively to promote himself/herself. 10. What is Cyrenaicism? Cyrenaicism focuses on the instant pleasure of a situation, ignoring the future inconveniences, pain, or discomfort. Part 10. 1. Who is a theist? A theist is someone who believes in God. 2. Who is an atheist? An atheist is someone who does not believe in God. 3. Who is an agnostic? An agnostic is someone who believes that one cannot know if God exists or not. 4. Who is a deist? A deist is someone who believes the existence of God, but that God does not intervene on how the world operates. 5. What is monotheism? Monotheism is the belief in only one God. 6. What is polytheism? Polytheism is the belief in more than one God. 7. What is henotheism? Henotheism is the belief that there are many gods, but only one God should be worshipped. Conclusion. Thank you once again for listening to this book. I hope it has helped you gain more knowledge in philosophy.